So if you are familiar with Glide, you know that we've always put data and calculation at the center of our thinking about how software is created. We've always wanted to give you good design by default, but we don't think of software through its interface. We think of it through its data model and its logic. We've always had this concept of a data editor in Glide, where you can see the data behind your app and you can program it. So here is the do a demo task that we just added. And if we say you can edit it here, do a demo of GlideOS. And then if we go back to our app, you'll see that it's been updated. But with the split view, you can open more than one thing at once. So here we just are going to put the data editor and the app that we're working on side by side. Today, when we edit in the data editor, we're going to see this live update in the app. If I check this item off, you'll see it checks off over here. And if we check these off in the data editor, you're going to see them updating in the app. You can open multiple apps in split views. You can open your spreadsheet and the data editor side by side. And this is just us sort of building a more powerful tool, focusing on the data and the calculations behind your app.